Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on our project titled Smart Classroom Management with Enhanced Learning Outcome, Streamlining Attendance and Personalized Student Support System. This project is part of our Phase 2 project work in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Vailtech Multitech Engineering College. Now let's dive into the details of our project. Here's an overview of what we will be covering today. So we'll begin with a problem statement, objective and abstract, followed by an introduction, and then we'll compare the existing system versus proposed system. Next we'll discuss the architecture diagram, software and hardware requirements and module implementation. Finally, we'll conclude with the future enhancement and references. Now let's start with the problem statement. The current student attendance tracking methods are manual, time consuming, and prone to errors. They lack automation and integration with digital tools, making it difficult to analyze student engagement and tutor performance. Without real time insight, institutions struggle to make data driven decisions to improve the learning experience. Our project aims to solve these challenges by implementing automated attendance by tracking and data driven insights for better classroom management. Our objective is to develop a user-friendly platform that offers seamless access to courses, video lectures, and learning resources, an AI-powered chatbot for personalized student support, automated attendance tracking using facial recognition integrated into the SCMS website, and finally a Power BI analytics to provide insights into student interaction, tutor performance, and engagement levels, enabling institutions to make informed decisions. The project is an enhancement of our Phase 1 classroom management system. The key additions in Phase 2 are facial recognition based attendance system, automatic student attendance tracking for real-time updates, and a Power BI data analytics for analyzing classroom engagement and tutor performance for data-driven improvements. With this system, institutions can optimize classroom management, reduce manual work, and enhance student learning outcomes. In traditional classrooms, attendance tracking is done manually, which can be inaccurate and inefficient. Additionally, institutions lack insights into student engagement and learning behavior. Our smart classroom management system solves these problems using facial recognition for automated attendance and Power BI for data analytics. This system ensures accurate attendance tracking, improved resource management, and data-driven decision making for a better educational experience. Coming on to the existing system, currently most institutions use manual attendance tracking, which is time consuming and prone to human errors, lacks real-time updates and automated analytics, and finally offers no insight into student engagement and tutor performance. Without automation and analytics, educational institutions cannot make data-driven improvements in teaching strategies or student support. Our proposed system integrates facial recognition based attendance tracking. Students' faces are captured, matched with a database, and attendance is recorded manually. AI chatbot for student support where students can ask academic queries and receive personalized recommendations. And Power BI for analytics where real-time dashboards provide insights on student engagement and tutor performance. And secure data storage. Attendance records are secured stored in PHP This approach reduces manual work, improves accuracy, and helps educators optimize the classroom learning. Coming on to the architecture diagram, this is the architecture diagram of our system. It consists of a facial recognition module where captures student images, processes them using OpenCV, and records the attendance. For database management, the attendance data is stored securely in the PHP MyAdmin. As of the same, for data analytics using Power BI, analyzes the student engagement patterns and generates insights for decision making. This structured architecture ensures smooth operations and efficient classroom management. And for the hardware and software requirements, so for software requirements we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front end, Python for back end, and for library we are using OpenCV for facial recognition, and for creating a data analytics dashboard we are using a Power BI, and for data storage we are using MySQL database. And these are the hardware requirements. And module list. A project consists of 4 main modules: educational website, chatbot module, facial attendance recognition module, and finally analytics and reporting module. In those, the first two are our phase 1 modules and the last two comes under phase 2 modules. So in phase 1 modules, we have created a educational website which provides access to video lectures, quizzes, and learning resources. And second is a chatbot module offers personalized learning support to the students. So this is the implementations and the output screenshot of our phase 1 module. So the phase 2 facial attendance recognition module. This module automatically records attendance using facial recognition. Here's how it works. The system captures the student's image in real time, compares it with the stored facial data. If matched, attendance is marked automatically in the database. Attendance reports are generated instantly. This process eliminates manual attendance errors and improves accuracy. So this is the output screenshot of our facial attendance recognition module. So students will be receiving an interface like this, and with this interface they will mark their attendance. And this is the output screenshot of the PHP MyAdmin database. So it ensures seamless tracking and real-time access to attendance records. So the analytics and reporting module, so it depicts how frequently students access the learning materials, and it also tells about the effectiveness of teaching methods and identifies students with irregular attendance. These insights helps educators make data-driven decisions to improve classroom effectiveness. So this is the output screenshot of it. So this dashboard is created using Power BI. So on to our conclusion. To summarize our classroom management system, so it automates attendance tracking using facial recognition, improves the student engagement through AI-based learning support, and provides real-time insights with Power BI analytics, and enhances the decision making for educators. In future, we plan to implement AI-based adaptive learning paths, develop AI-generated lecture summaries, add speech-to-text transcription for better accessibility, and introduce AI-based motion detection for classroom security. These improvements will make smart classroom more efficient, interactive, and secure. So now let us look into the output of it. So this is our SAM server. So after we have started and we touch the admin module, so we'll be receiving like this. So this is our PHP MyAdmin database, so which consists of 8 tables. So if we click on to any tables, we'll get the database information. So now we are in the playlist table. We have a different playlist which are uploaded by the teachers. For example, we have DevOps, computer architecture, AI, web development. So everything is stored under the backend databases. So as of this is our PHP MyAdmin database. So now let us see the separate interface for the teacher login and as well as the student login. So this is the interface of students. So students will have a home page and they'll get to know about our website, and here are the courses which are uploaded by the teacher. And for example, if they need to know about any computer architecture playlist, so they can view. So these are the playlist videos which are uploaded by the teachers. So there are 2 teachers, and if they have any queries, they can use this contact us and they can contact. So this is the interface of the student. So now let us see the interface of our teacher. Okay. So just we need to click the PHP server serve project. So this is the login page for a teacher. So after we have logged in, so this is the complete interface for the teacher. So here are the playlist. So this teacher created the playlist for DevOps, computer architecture, AI, web development, PHP, and MySQL database. And in contents, we'll be get to know the contents which are added in the respective playlist. So and in command section, the teachers will get to know about the commands. So if something which is irrelevant or unnecessary, the teacher can have the access to delete the commands. So this is our, and in home page the teachers will be having the data analytics dashboard. So in performance analytics, so these dashboards are created using a Power BI. So this is our project. So we have developed a website for teachers and students, and a chatbot for students, and finally a facial attendance or recognition system and a data analytics module. Thank you.